Oh no. What? Whoa. This like little thingy. I think this is for cash stuffing the money in here. There's a lot of them.
To show the
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new here. Today guys, I'm going to share with you my purchases or the items that I got or that I bought from last month. That is for the month of July. So I'm also going to do a little bit of unboxing today. So let's get right into this video. The first thing that I'm going to show you are these envelopes. I got these from Shopee, and if you're interested, just comment down below so that I could link her store in my description box. So these are just simple cash envelopes. I ordered 20 pieces. Each one has different styles or prints, but I think I got one that is doubled. You see these two. I didn't notice that I ordered two of the same print or design, so yeah, I think I'll just use one of these. So this is how the prints look like. They are very cute, and I also stuck to one color palette, which is green. Oh yeah, actually it's two, so green and blue, those shades. So these are the prints. I think they are all pretty. Oh, I love this one. I love everything. And I think this one is yellow, but still it's in that color palette. I haven't used them yet. I haven't included them in my cash stuffing video because, as you can see guys, they don't have the punch holes yet, and the edges are sharp. So now I'm waiting for my order. I ordered again, and I ordered a corner rounder, puncher, something like that, and also puncher for the holes for these envelopes so that I could use them and put them in my binders. And the size is, I think this is 7 inches by 4. Yeah, so I'm really excited to use these guys. And they also need to have labels too, so I have to make my labels for them too before I could use them. And also the seller is very generous. She gave me freebies, and these are stickers. Look, they're so cute, right? I love this one particularly, but this is also cute. So yes, so that's it for my envelopes. I'm really excited to use them because they are longer, better to house my cash, which is longer than dollars or my bills. But there are some which are damaged, like, do you call it damaged? But this is not properly done because, as you can see, the, what do you call this? The laminating sheet did not stick to the cardstock, so this one is a reject, but I'm still going to use it. There's also another one here that is quite like that. Okay, anyway, let's go to my next purchase. This one, so I haven't opened it yet, so today we're going to do the unboxing for these, for the items here. So let's quickly do that. Oh, look at that. So I got this from AMN shop, and these are the things that I ordered from them. So I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 clear envelopes, and I like their products because, as you can see, the corners are rounded already, so you won't have problems getting pricked by the sharp edges or corners. And then they also have the holes already. Okay, so these envelopes are already punched, so very nice. Okay, very excited to use these items or these envelopes too. And also I ordered the A7 envelopes, and this is how they look like. It's very cute. Okay, so I think the laminating sheet used for these envelopes is thinner than the one that they used here. Okay, so these are the designs, and like this one, they are already rounded on the edges and they have holes already, so they are ready to use, and I'm very excited. So just showing you the beautiful designs. Beautiful. Oh, and I do have freebies. These are the freebies. So these are blank sheets of paper. They're so cute. Thank you so much, seller. And this is the second batch or the second set of designs. Okay, so this one. Okay, what does it say? Look upon the bright stars at night. And then this one, I love you. And then this is the last one, hello cactus, but they are fish. So that's it for the cute envelopes. And then I also got this huge undated desk planner. This one is from SM, and I got this for 149 pesos. This is really useful to me, guys, and this is nice because you can use it anytime. I mean, like for example, January has passed. Okay, it's already August now, but since it has no dates, no year, so you can still use it for the next year, January 2022, and you can just put the dates or the numbers there. So yeah, I really love this planner. I used to DIY these, but I'm just lazy now to do that every month. So this one comes handy because it's bigger actually than the ones that I make, and this is not that expensive anyway, so $149 is so worth it for this planner. So yeah, I'm excited to use it, and I'm going to start with the month of August. Okay, and then I also got some beauty items, and that is this eyelash curler from Grip. It's from Everbilena Cosmetics. It's a local brand. But before, I remember that I have this already. I think it's not yet labeled as Everbilena. It's just Grip, and the brand is Grip. I had this before, and I thought this was a very good eyelash curler. I've tried from other brands, but I still go back to this eyelash curler because it just really fits my eyes better than other brands. So let's see the inside. Guys, this is really nice, and since my eyes are boring I really need the help of an eyelash curler. And this one also comes with another rubber, so there's a free rubber. Okay, that's it. And then I also ordered my skincare. These are the ones that I ordered. So I've been using Korean skincare ever since, like maybe 3 to 4 years now. I'm not really sure, but I love Korean skincare. They're the best. So I'm using this one from Swan by Me. This is a serum, and I'm gonna open this now because I do have the mini one, but I have emptied the bottle, so I need to open this now because I'm going to use it later. So since I have oily skin, guys, I stayed away from heavy creams. I just don't like them, the texture and the heaviness or the heavy feel on my skin. I hate that. So I'm sticking to light moisturizers only. So I'm choosing only serums and essences. I don't go for moisturizers anymore, especially the cream ones. So that is how it looks like. It is just a plastic bottle, but it's nice. It's quite heavy too. So that's it. And then I also have this Time Revolution miniature kit. I love trying new ones, but this one I have tried already and I love it. So this is how it looks like. Okay, so these are the contents. So it has 30 ml first essence, and then the ampule. Yes, I love essences, I love ampules and serums. That's all I ever use on my face these days. And then this one also has a cream, but these creams usually are very light textured. They're not heavy at all, so I love it. My skin loves it. And then also the sunblock, which is a must for every day. I know it's a must for every day, but I don't know, I just really cannot stick to doing this or applying this every day. I'm really lazy when it comes to applying my sunblock, but I always have them. I cannot live without them. So yeah. Okay, so guys, these are some of the things that I bought from last month. So I'm just happy to share them with you, and because I'm very excited to use them. So again, thank you so much for being here, for clicking my video, and I hope to see you again soon. Take care always. Bye.